This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a custom desktop background in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your background image on your desktop, first thing you might want to do is see what resolution your desktop background is. I'm going to right-click on an empty area of my desktop. I'm going to go up to where it says Display Settings. I'm going to click on Display Settings. That will open up a dialog box. And in that dialog box, under Scale and Layout, right down here, Display Resolution, my display is currently 1920 by 1080. You might want to make the resolution of your image match this. But to place an image, a custom background desktop image, you want to go down to the little start icon. You want to right-click on the start icon. You want to go up to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on the one that says Personalization. Then on the center pane, you want to go over to where it says Background, click on Background. And then right down here, as you can see, I have Personalize Your Background set to Picture. Down below that, I have Choose a Fit for Your Desktop Image set to Fill. And to place a custom image as my background image on the desktop, you want to go to next to where it says Choose a Photo. You want to click on Browse Photos. Then you would find on your device the image that you want to use as the background. I have this one here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go down to the bottom and choose Picture. That is how to place a custom background image on your desktop in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.